Hello, friends. Welcome to Valentine's Day or anything. Well, I chose Valentine's Day, and I did most of my projects are vintage Valentines. Our host is Amanda with 6 kids and a glue gun. The Crafty Art Shack and Lady in Red Crafting is our co-host. Please check out their channel in my description box. And please check out the playlist for more Valentine's Day or anything DIY inspiration this month. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video and comment, because I'd love to hear from you. And I'd love for you to join the family, because I have a lot of great content coming up. Okay, let's see what we can do to make this look old. Like that rip was supposed to happen. I'm gonna just dry brush. This is burnt umber. Okay, this might be what not to do. Yeah, it just pulled all of my paper up off my DIY. I don't know whether I can fix it. I wanted to look vintage. I didn't know I wanted it, and shabby chic, but I didn't know I wanted it to look this wrecked. Gonna let this dry, and we may come back with some brown to get it, make it antique-y looking. We might be able to salvage it. painted this pink, and this is just, it's a ring for your Valentine's Day party from Dollar Tree, which I said, wouldn't that be cute as a napkin ring? But anyway, we're going to use that as embellishment, because I need a couple more ornaments for my tree. And this is a quick, simple DIY that'll take you absolutely no time. Hearts, you can find those at the Dollar Tree. I think I found these at Temu, but it doesn't matter. I think even Hobby Lobby had hearts. You can find them about any craft store this time of year. The only one I didn't think I seen hearts at yet was Michael's when I was there last. This is the print I use I'm using on my black and white tree. Christmas, and now Valentine's Day, I had the black and white. And you won't see the paint spill because it'll be turned the other way. So there's our ornament. Okay, this is our shabby Valentine that we created.